Moving on, as a part of Maruti's Road Safety Mission 2014 in association with Times Now, we bring you stories of individuals who are working relentlessly to create awareness about traffic rules and regulations in a bid to make Indian roads safer. Take a look. These are individuals who are leaving no stone unturned to spread awareness about road safety in the
word "जाने दे," let it be, होता है, चलता है. That attitude is very common in India, or in common in very people, and that should be changed.
We have only one life we get, and if we lose it, we don't get another chance.
There is a growing need for the youth to be increasingly aware of the perils of rash and unsafe driving. It is to create this awareness about the importance of road safety that Uday Desai of Vishwa Consultants in Mumbai organizes free road safety programs. This session for school students is being conducted at the Srimati Sulochana Devi Singhania School in Thane.
Attending this session, we will at least know how to be safe on the road, how we can save casualties that are being caused.
This program, especially it was meant for students. This is very good beginning to spread awareness about road safety in our population.
The program brings to the students the hard-hitting reality of unsafe driving practices, like driving under the influence of alcohol and the consequences of not following safety rules and regulations.
10th standard students, they are just 16. The young blood feel that they can do everything. So I thought such a workshop will help them.
What we think as a company, as an individual, that from the childhood itself, this student will learn this road safety culture, because they are going to be there on the road, they are going to use the road. Now also they are using the road. After some age they will start driving on the road. So from the childhood only itself they know the traffic rules, regulations, why this road safety is required in their day-to-day life.
Road safety is one of the biggest concerns for a country like India, where road accident fatalities are high. Uday Desai works at not just creating road safety awareness, but also promoting the idea of defensive driving for individuals and organizations.
Defensive driving, we talk about basically how to prevent all kinds of accidents, how to cope up with the different situations, how to cope up with the different scenario, all adverse conditions, influence of fatigue, tiredness, drinking and driving.
For companies like Total Oil India, the need to ensure the safety of their employees is paramount.
Nowadays what happens, the corporates, companies are engaging contractors. You also have a lot of contractors. So they just bring their vehicle, but whether the vehicle is fit for that particular job or not. So that also we do.
We feel that we can contribute positively in bringing about some transformation in terms of road safety management. And with these reputed agencies, we see that the drivers, they understand the basics of defensive driving.
You know the driving technique, then more and more you drive defensively, your peace of mind will be there.
By conducting vehicle fitness sessions, driver health checkups and accident analysis, Vishwa Consultants is doing their best to minimize the loss of life, bringing change one day at a time.